Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today we are going to learn and writing 10 lines on my family. Please subscribe my channel for education. My family is the most important thing to me. It consists of my parents, brother, sister, and me. My brothers and sisters are my best friends. My parents take care of me and love me very much. We eat meals together and share our day's experience. We go on vacations and outings together. My family is always there for me in good time and bad. We celebrate festivals and birthdays together. We support each other and help each other grow. I am blessed to have such a loving and caring family.